count them, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the number of camera lenses on the back of the Samsung Galaxy A9 2018, and the company is calling it a world first. We've seen phones with more camera lenses, but this is the first with 4 on the back. Overkill? No, it's part of Samsung's master plan to make the A-series phones more desirable, and it's targeting Instagram fans with the versatile Galaxy A9 2018. What features do those camera lenses provide? The 24-megapixel main lens is joined by a 5-megapixel depth-sensing camera lens, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens, and a new 8-megapixel, 120-degree ultra-wide lens. The main cam has an f/1.7 aperture for low-light shots. Think about this. Almost regardless of the scene you want to capture, the Galaxy A9 2018 has you covered. Even selfies will turn out well with the 24-megapixel, f/2.0 camera above the screen. Although Samsung A-series phones aren't as high-spec as the Galaxy S-series, the A9 2018 has a curved body made of glass and metal, and the 2220 by 1080 pixel, 6.3-inch screen is one of Samsung's Super AMOLED panels, so the Android 8.0 Oreo operating system will look almost identical to that on the more expensive phones. Add Samsung Pay and Bluetooth 5.0, and it's a strong package. Where the Galaxy A9 2018 differs from the S9 and Note 9 is the processor. It's a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 inside, with 6GB of RAM, plus 128GB of internal storage space. There's also a micro SD card slot to add up to 512GB of additional storage. The 3,800 mAh battery is larger than that in the Galaxy S9 and can be fast charged, but there's no wireless charging. This is unfortunate, as we were expecting new mid-range Samsung phones to come with it. The quad-lens camera is the Galaxy A9 2018 standout feature, but the colors Samsung has chosen for the phone are also really exciting. The caviar black model looks good, but we love the bubblegum pink and the lemonade blue versions more. Both look superb, and shimmer and change when they catch the light. The Galaxy A9 is light at 183 grams, and at only 7.8mm thick, it's great in the hand. How much does the phone cost? It's £550 British, which converts over to $725, so this is far from a budget device. However, the features are closer to Samsung's high-spec phones than the cheaper J-series devices it also sells. The Galaxy A9 2018 will be available in the UK from November through Samsung's own website and various networks. No US release has been announced yet.
Bye.